If you're like me and you have a senior or seniors in your life that really aren't good with computers, but you want them to learn, they want to learn, this is a great book for you. So this is the Windows 11 for seniors. It's a complete step-by-step guide to learn Windows 11 effortlessly. And I think that's the key word here is you really want to give them something that's going to inspire them, but also give them the education that they need and something that's an easy read, right? Something that's not overly complex. So this is a really great book. It's not very long. It's about 200 pages long. I like that it has color pictures and look at the text. The text is larger, which is of course important. I know my mom always has her readers on, right? So you want something that they're going to be able to read. This has a really, really good table of contents in the front as well. So if there's a specific functionality or a specific topic that they're interested in that they want to kind of read quickly before reading everything else, they can do so. Again, everything's in color. So if they're showing you screenshots, you're going to see that in color, which is really fantastic, as you can see here. I also like that there are quizzes in the end. So you do have the ability to see, for them to test themselves to see exactly how things are going. Are they learning well? Are they not learning well? Are they retaining the information? So I really like this book. Again, I actually let my mom read this over the last few days and she thought it was great as well. There is a glossary in here. So if there's any keywords that they're talking about within the context of the text that they're just not understanding, that's in there. There's also a section on keyboard shortcuts, which I thought was really cool. So definitely will help your seniors, especially if they're interested in learning. They want to get better at computers. This is a fantastic book. Again, it summarizes everything really well. There's so many good contents in here about different things to learn. And it's at a pace that I feel like is really easy for anyone to really pick up and learn. So definitely recommend if you're in the market for helping your senior or having them help themselves learn Windows.